Hello? Yeah, get out of here. Nope, 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 nope. No, he isn't. Why does nobody want me? Hey, kid, I got you 3 times in the back. Go on. I don't know if you didn't feel it, but you did this. Did you feel it that time? Come on.
I feel it that way, I'll tell you. I know what you mean. That's how we go.
Get out of here. You're kidding me. Ref! Ref! Where is he? I literally just shot that kid 8 times.
I was watching.
Yeah, I know. Everyone else is gonna watch on YouTube too.
You know, he's not gonna. He'll probably stop now.
Hey Johnny, tell me if you find a ref. Oh, that's never good. I gotta go shoot somebody in the face. Johnny, around the corner, to the right. Hello. Ow, good shot. Good man. Ow, come on. Ow, my thigh. Dead man.
Yeah, man.
It is shooting. Come on.
I saw you over here real quick, lift the shield up and fire from below like that.
I know, that was
You
not
gotta
good.
expose your head.
That was just kind of out of anger. There's a kid over there. I was calling ref, but you're over there.
I was upstairs watching at an angle. I couldn't quite see what was going on.
Okay, kind of short, chubbier kid, gray hoodie. I think he has a small gun. I literally meted this kid with unloaded my entire mag on him, hitting him.
And you didn't call it?
He ran past me and I did this, 1, 2, 3, and he kept running behind the pipe. He goes, I'll call it if I feel it. Okay. I had to come up and waste my whole mag, right?
Alright, I'll make sure I reiterate that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry. What kind of pistol's that?
I'm done.
Gas?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Getting CO2.
See, that's why I do.
I talked to the ref about it.
Do you have a GoPro shot?
Yeah. About that fat ass that's not calling it shit. I unloaded my entire mag in him.